friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. Today we are going to learn about behavior classes which will use for validation of email and password. So the class I have created for email validation is email validator behavior, which will inherit behavior class, and this is regex expression, and this is bindable property. And this behavior class has two methods, attach to and detach form. This will attach when form will load, and this will detach the entry text change event when form is form is unload. And in this event handle text change, we will check whether that reg expression is matching with the textbook user has inputted the value. Another is password validation, which also inherit to behavior entry, behavior class. Same thing is here. Uh, only thing is that you have to change only regex form, and this password regex is for one capital, one digit, one symbol, and one small letter. Another is compare validation behavior. This will compare password and confirm password value. So here I have checked that the confirm value is equal to the password value or not. And this is the class or boolean to object, which will convert boolean object to uh, any type of the object that we are using it. So let's see how to use these classes. Uh, First of all, I have used this class in registered form. So I will show you the form. Okay, this is the registration form. So you can get idea how actually it works. So when it is empty, when email password and confirm password is empty, it will show error message. And if data is invalid, for example email is not if user does not input email in valid format, then it will show the error message. Same for password and confirm password. If you enter the valid data, then it will remove that error message. Okay, then this is a style for label. This I am talking about a label which is in red color. So I have set X and Y align as a start, font size as small. Uh, this if you use this style, then you don't have to rewrite all the property in the label. And the boolean to object converter I have used here to show that if value is false, means if the user inputted value is not validated, then it will show the error message. So I have created three converter for email and password and confirm password. If they input invalid data, invalid format, then it will show error message. So I have set text color as a red and text as a enter text that you want to set any error message. Then design begin from here. These styles are written in content and content page dot resources in resource dictionary, and the design are written in content page dot content. So I have set image. This is image and this is frame. So after image I have set frame, which having uh, header as sign up and three uh, uh, text box for first name, last name, email ID and password and confirm password. So I don't want to set any validation for first name, last name, so I did not use. I want to set validation for email text box. So use behavior classes, because I have created class by inheriting the behavior class. So entry dot behavior and call that email validator behavior class and name as email validator. This email validator name should reference in the label that will show the error message for email ID, email address. So in style, binding source is equal to x reference dot email validator, which is the name of email validator behavior. Then path is equal to is valid. This is valid come from email validator behavior class. After that, converter as bool to style email. It will show the message error message if user did not put uh, email in valid format. Same for uh, password. As give any name for password validator behavior, then and in style set as a reference of password, and after that confirm password. In confirm password, I have used compare validation behavior, because it will check that user inputted value in password and confirm password is same or not. So in compare validator behavior, the binding context is reference is set as text box password text box and binding text property of password text box. And after same in label pass the name of compare confirm password validator or whatever you want to give name, and as converter and path is equal to validate. Uh, that's all. If you did not understand anything, then please ask me in the comment section, and I hope you have understand all. If you have any question, then please ask me in the comment section. I will share uh, source code link in the description link. This is the source code, you can copy from here. Okay, thank you, bye bye.